Introducing the Eidos 4K from Aven Tools. This state-of-the-art camera system is designed to seamlessly integrate with your C-mount trinocular microscope, providing crisp images on its built-in monitor. With the Eidos 4K, you can capture stunning image and video files without the need for a PC, while the HDMI output allows for additional monitor viewing. Available in 2 display options to match your workflow, the Eidos 4K features an industry-standard 11.6-inch screen, while the Eidos 4K XL steps up to a spacious 13.3-inch display, delivering 31% more viewing area. The built-in computational imaging software offers a suite of measurement tools, enhancing productivity and precision in applications ranging from quality control to medical device inspection. Angle measurement. Circle measurement. Rectangle measurement. Text tool. Experience the ease of digital inspection with the Eidos 4K from Aven Tools.